Most people think life on the road means sacrifice, cheap motels, fast food, and exhaustion. These 9 trucks prove that couldn't be further from the truth. We're talking king-sized beds, full kitchens, private bathrooms with real showers, laundry rooms, and hand-painted murals, all moving down American highways at 70 miles per hour. 9 of the most luxurious hotels in the world, miles per hour. 9 of the most luxurious sleeper trucks ever built in America. This is what life on the road looks like when comfort has no limits. Let's get into it. Some trucks work for a living. The Peterbilt 389-777 works the crowd. Vibrant red paint with a flawless finish. Chrome covering every surface that will hold it. A stance so confident it commands attention before the engine even starts. The 777 isn't just a name, it's a reputation. One of the most recognized and celebrated Peterbilts on the American trucking scene. Step inside and the show continues. Brown leather upholstery, amber LED accent lighting, retractable sofa, microwave, refrigerator, upper cabinets, and full climate control, all wrapped in an interior that feels more like a high-end lounge than a truck cab. A Cummins X15 producing 565 horsepower and 2,100 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 18-speed manual transmission. Classic Peterbilt performance with zero compromise. $400,000 to $450,000 fully built and worth every dollar for what it represents. At truck shows across America, people line up just to photograph it. Not the show, not the event. Just this truck. It's pulled more cameras than most professional show vehicles, and it does it while still being a fully functional working rig. Part machine, part icon. Pure American trucking culture at its absolute finest. The next rig takes luxury even further. Less truck, more mobile residence. Most trucks turn heads. This one stops traffic, literally. The custom yellow Peterbilt has caused actual traffic jams at truck stops across America. People pulling over just to get a closer look. Bright yellow paint, full-length chrome detailing, mirror-polished wheels that catch light from a quarter-mile away. This truck doesn't arrive anywhere. It makes an entrance. Step inside, and the word truck stops applying. A 200-inch sleeper, over 16 feet of interior space. Living room with retractable sofa, dining table, full kitchen with microwave, sink, and large refrigerator. Private bathroom with enclosed shower, spacious bed, overhead cabinets throughout. Thermal acoustic insulation so effective you can sleep peacefully with the engine running. A Cummins X15 producing 600 horsepower and 2,200 pound-feet of torque moves all of it, paired with an 18-speed manual transmission built for total control over every mile. $700,000. That number doesn't just buy a truck, it buys a lifestyle. A fully mobile studio apartment that travels every highway in America at 70 miles per hour. It's appeared in commercials, featured in TV shoots, become a recurring star at trucking expos nationwide. Some machines are built to work, some are built to be remembered. This one does both, and it does it better than almost anything else on the road. Some trucks demand attention. The Kenworth W900L by ICT doesn't demand anything. It simply commands it. Clean, imposing exterior with chrome accents that reflect light like a mirror. No flashy graphics, no aggressive styling, just presence. The kind that makes every other truck on the highway disappear. 156 inches of sleeper, nearly 13 feet of living space designed with one goal: make the road feel like home. Retractable sofa, full kitchen with microwave, refrigerator, and stainless steel sink, a complete bathroom with enclosed shower, LED lighting, and climate control throughout, light wood tones, neutral colors, an interior so refined it belongs in an architectural magazine, not on Interstate 40. A Cummins X15 producing 565 horsepower and 2,200 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 18-speed manual transmission, gives experienced drivers the control and power this build deserves. $550,000 and above, depending on finish level. And every driver who has owned one says the same thing. Once you experience this, there is no going back. No motels, no campgrounds, no outside infrastructure. Wherever this truck parks, home is already there. Elegant, self-sufficient, quietly extraordinary. The next truck on this list throws quiet elegance out the window and pushes luxury into truly outrageous territory. 100 years of Kenworth. And this is how they chose to celebrate. The W900L 100th Anniversary Limited Edition isn't just a truck. It's a monument to a century of American trucking excellence. Every unit individually numbered, production strictly limited. And the moment it was announced, every single one sold out. Satin gray paint with subtle blue striping, exclusive gold anniversary emblems, chrome bumpers, vertical exhausts, and polished wheels that honor every decade of W900 legacy. Inside, retro analog dashboard, premium leather seats, fixed double bed, microwave, refrigerator, custom cabinetry, and independent climate control. Classic soul, modern comfort, perfectly balanced. A Cummins X15 producing 565 horsepower and 2,100 pound-feet of torque. 18-speed manual transmission, because a 100th anniversary edition demanded nothing less than the real thing. $600,000 sold out immediately. Some owners put them to work on American highways, carrying loads just like every W900 before them. Others treat them like collector's pieces, because that's exactly what they are. This truck isn't on this list because of its sleeper cab or its horsepower. It's here because of what it represents. 100 years, one machine, infinite respect, pure American trucking history on 4 wheels. Most trucks haul cargo. This one hauls a championship team and does it in style that stops every single person at the event. The Peterbilt Shell Bootleggers rig is the official hauler and mobile headquarters of one of America's most recognized truck pulling teams. Outside, glossy black paint, Shell Bootleggers custom graphics, polished chrome, and vertical stacks that announce its arrival before you even see it. Inside, a 13-foot custom sleeper with LED lighting, dark wood cabinetry, L-shaped leather sofa, built-in TV, independent climate control, and a full, compact kitchen. This isn't a truck cab, it's a rolling luxury suite. A Cummins X15 producing 600 horsepower and 2,100 pound-feet of torque moves this beast across America's pulling circuit. Smooth, strong, and built for the long haul. At events, the drivers rest here, eat here, and prep here. No hotels, no trailers, just one self-contained mobile base of operations worth around $400,000. And here's what makes it legendary. At most pulling championships, this Peterbilt gets more attention than the competition vehicles themselves. A truck that outshines the show it came to support. That's not just engineering, that's presence. Dave and Kelly Plum had one goal: cross America without ever needing a hotel, a restaurant, or a rest stop. So they built their entire life into a Volvo VNL. Working with Bolt Custom Trucks, they transformed a 150-inch sleeper into a fully self-sufficient rolling home. Full kitchen with stovetop, microwave, full-size refrigerator, and stainless steel sink. Private bathroom with a real shower. Convertible couch. Full entertainment system with TV and surround sound and independent climate control. A Volvo D13 producing 500 horsepower and 1,800 pound-feet of torque moves all of it, smoothly, quietly, and without breaking a sweat. Complete power management system. Onboard water storage. Full off-grid capability. No campgrounds, no infrastructure, no outside support needed. Dark gray paint, chrome accents, and a presence that blends rugged workhorse with luxury motorhome. From the outside, it still looks like a serious truck. Step inside and you forget you're on a highway. $360,000 build, and when the story went public, it inspired dozens of other drivers to follow exactly the same path. That's not just a custom truck, that's a movement. The Plums didn't just build a rig, they redefined what life on the American highway can actually look like. 8 months on the road, 0 hotel stops, 0 complaints. That's the life one owner lived inside a Kenworth T680. And after hearing what's inside, it's not hard to understand why. Clean, bright interior with indirect lighting, convertible sofa bed, countertop workspace, built-in microwave, refrigerator, and smart storage that makes every inch count. No wasted space, no unnecessary clutter, just everything a driver needs. Organized, accessible, and comfortable. A Packer MX-13 producing 510 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque moves this aerodynamic machine down the highway with efficiency that saves serious fuel costs over long hauls. Noise insulation is exceptional. Road noise, engine sound, outside world, all of it disappears the moment you close the door. Because when your cab is your home, rest isn't optional, it's survival. $280,000 to $320,000 fully equipped. More affordable than most luxury sleepers on this this list, but the quality of life it delivers competes with all of them. 8 months, thousands of miles, not one night in a hotel. The Kenworth T680 doesn't just prove that life on the road can be comfortable, it proves it can be genuinely good. Most people think luxury ends where the highway begins. The Kenworth W900L with a 156-inch ARI sleeper proves them completely wrong. That classic long hood Kenworth profile, chrome-drenched, bold, and timeless, tells you this is something special before you even open the door. Step inside, and the highway disappears. Real hardwood finishes, synthetic granite countertops, full kitchen with microwave, fridge, and sink, a private bathroom with a full-sized shower, convertible couch, fixed double bed. This isn't a truck cab, it's a 13-foot apartment doing 70 miles per hour down the interstate. A Cummins X15 producing 525 horsepower and 2,000 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 18-speed manual transmission for drivers who want total control over every mile. Fully loaded, this rig runs between $450,000 and $500,000, and drivers who make that investment say it's worth every single penny. Here's the detail that says everything. The cabin is so well insulated that drivers sleep soundly with the engine running and hear nothing. For drivers who call the highway home, the Kenworth W900 LARI sleeper doesn't just make that life possible, it makes it something most people would actually envy. 32 feet long, hand-painted murals across every body panel, a king-sized bed suite in the rear. This isn't a truck with a nice sleeper. This is a home that happens to have an engine. The custom Freightliner Cascadia was transformed into a 32-foot mobile residence, longer than most Class A motorhomes, and built with detail that puts many apartments to shame. 2 sofas, full kitchen with large refrigerator, cooktop, oven, and stainless steel sink. Dining area, private bathroom with full-size shower, a laundry room with washer and dryer, a laundry room, inside a truck. The hand-painted murals covering the exterior aren't decals or wraps. They're real custom artwork painted directly onto the body panels. A rolling gallery telling a visual story at 70 miles per hour. A Detroit diesel producing up to 600 horsepower moves all of it down American highways with a smart automated transmission tuned for long-distance comfort. Retractable awning, side storage bays, custom lighting, polished wheels, $900,000, and pushing toward $1 million fully loaded. The owner lives in it full-time with his wife, crossing America, every state, every highway, no mortgage, no landlord, no fixed address, just the open road and everything they need already on board. Honestly, they might be living better than most people in traditional homes. 9 trucks, 9 different definitions of luxury on the American highway, from $280,000 daily drivers to $900,000 rolling mansions. These rigs prove that home isn't a place, it's wherever you park. Which one would you choose to live in? Drop it in the comments below. Subscribe. New video every week. See you in the next one.